Hey guys, I got something different for you. This is William Bill Tomkins here, and so he's going to explain in this part one about Neil Armstrong on the moon and the 7 crafts that were around the rim of the crater and so forth. Also, he talks about Nordic girls, reptilians, ships that they are making on the moon. Floating glass structures on the moon. You see, he works at TRW, and he was privy to. It was a whole nother building. They got first-hand news straight from Neil and them and what they saw, and none of it went to the public. And the reason why it didn't go to the public, guys, is because of religion, basically. So he talks about the war days, MJ12, Hitler, and the agreement between the aliens, which is the reptilians, between the SS and the reptilians, right? And also Hitler and Maria Orsage. So you can look up Bill Tompkins. He also goes under William Tompkins. I'll play some for you. Here we go, guys.
Generations now that just have no clue, what that was like.
It's fascinating. It's the missing pieces, right?
What did you see? I'm just giving you my experience. Can you share with us your experience of moon landing?
First-hand news.
Well, when I heard those words, I asked myself, I wonder how long they thought about what words to say. I'm sure they had it planned. And it never occurred to me there was anything else going on when I first saw those words other than the regular landing. So when Bill told me that he was watching TV in a secret room, and that on the TV that there were craft on the crater, at the same time that Neil Armstrong was, or close to when Neil Armstrong was saying these words, I was stunned. And the reason I was so excited is because Bill had drawn a sketch of what was on the TV. And that sketch is in the book. Yeah. It's a totally different.
Awesome, man.
Different story.
They knew it was there before they landed. That's why they turned the limb.
Namely, the process of controlling the secrets is so sophisticated that the government is able to fool the entire public that nothing anomalous was seen there. The anomalies being 7 craft on the crater.
7 craft.
Tell us about
okay.
this room,
Yeah.
Bill. How many people were there, and what did they see?
Well, it was. I got sort of hired at TRW to put together like a little command and control station for the Apollo program, where
He does take a while to wind up, guys. He's like 93.
The facility actually set up
and he's
straight
dead.
contacts
He's
with
dead now.
mission control in Texas, so that we got the same information going and coming and listening to the astronauts' comments. And it was in not a large room. It was off-site, not on the regular facility at TRW. And we set this up so that we could monitor those missions as the company, which is putting together all kinds of proposals on space systems and then do unsolicited bids back to the government.
Where off-site was it? Where off-site was it? That's the first I never heard of that.
Me too.
It was only about 6 miles because actually TRW had hundreds of off-site facilities, and it's just one of those, like in a separate building, only 6 blocks from the facility, and we had all of the communications that NASA had, and we were connected to them, so we could contact them if it became necessary, but we were just monitoring. That's all we were doing.
This is a different mental image from from what I read.
Okay, I'm going to cut it there for a minute, guys. So you remember, if you are tuned into what happened behind the scenes of the Apollo mission with Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin being on the moon, that they were on channel, I think it was 2 for the mainstream public to hear, but the medical channel was channel 10, and so they were they had ins basically on that other channel when they switched back, and I encourage you to go and look up Bill Tomkins. It's a fascinating story. But yeah, I will send this, and so I can get back to building the trike build today. And so I know it's a little different on my schedule here, guys, but this is really cool stuff, and I think that people should know it. So yeah, cool. Could be back with part 2. Awesome, guys. Cruiser Man out.